Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage color weakness on BenQ monitor. To do this, first you will need to press on the button on the bottom of your screen. It's the one sticking out. I just pressed the wrong one, which powered off our monitor. So anyway, when it goes back on, just click on the one that is sticking out. This should call out this on display interface, and then we can scroll down to and select menu. Now scroll down again and look for the icon. There's a color weakness that we can switch between red filter or green filter. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.